Hi guys, I'm here to tell you about my experience using Island-wide Express. So a little backstory. I was in the supermarket one day when a young lady came up to me and told me about this new shipping company that was working in Jamaica. Surprisingly, I was actually looking for a shipping company to use because I was already using another one that I wasn't too interested in. So one thing about them that I like is that the site is easy to maneuver. I'm able to use their video clip, follow the instructions, and basically set up my own thing. They give you an shipping address for you to ship your goods, just like any other shipping company. But the good thing about them is that they deliver to your home, so you don't have to go into any office to collect your packages and have to be standing in any long lines and stuff like that. So that's what I like about them, the convenience. Another thing that I like about them is the customer service. They always call me. They always call me by my first name if I'm checking up on any packages. So you feel as if you're in a family type setting. So try them out.